working as faculty in Institute of Bioinformatics and Biotechnology. Today I am going to discuss little about breaking a stereotype. So coming from a middle class family, so it always we have the ambitions of having lucrative jobs in management or engineering, going to abroad and working for some fantastic industries. But when I was pursuing the my education, I was always get disturbed with the facts that although from the in the country like India, where the agriculture is one of the prominent field working in the and in which 50% of our population or more than that is based on the agriculture, but the farmer condition of the farmer and the whatever the condition of our agriculture, it's too pathetic, or it's because if you can see, there are many news coming in the newspaper, like in Punjab, only in one day there are 25 farmers committed the suicide due to the some insect attack. So these things always come in the minds and make me disturbed that how I can serve to the society and how I can pursue some things that can be helpful for the farmers or the agriculture. So I got some position in management and also in the engineering college, but I thought to pursue for the pure sciences, and that too in the agriculture and the plant sciences. So when I started with the different working or taking education, basic education in BSc Biotechnology and MSc Biotechnology, I always tried or keen for looking for the different kind of problems and research problems that are targeted toward the development of sustainable agriculture. When I went to the research in National Chemical Laboratory, then I focused my area in such a way that I can focus more on the whatever the crop loss is happening due to the insect attack, and how we can develop a technology or develop new strategies to control this kind of insect attack, because it has been found out that insect attack is very big loss to the agriculture, and the total crop productivity loss due to the insect attack is huge. In terms of facts, around 90 billions, 4 to 5 billions of the dollars, US dollars, is a total loss which is caused due to the agriculture or due to the pest attack. So in my research or whatever research I was doing in the agriculture, that is mostly on the developing a new strategy or developing a new molecule. Now, how to breaking a stereotype? So when we pursue for the research, I have seen many of my friends, they are looking for pursuing a research career either in the stem cell biology or cancer, because it is like a alpha syndrome that many people are trying to follow the big persons, that there are high impact paper, there are high paid jobs in such fields. But the country like India, where the green revolution has been has been done in 1970, now it has been almost 50 years that we have crossed from the green revolution, and in the condition which today we are, there is a need of second green revolution. So I thought that as a youngster or as a new generation, it's very important that we should give a priority to the agriculture, and we should do more research, more you can say a ground level development in the field of agriculture, because when our population, that 60 to 70% of the population is depend on the agriculture, it's a very big quotient of the people, they are going to be rely on the agriculture. So that's why when I done my research in the agriculture, I developed many molecules that can be applicable in industry for pest control. So many of the molecules are the insect digestive inhibitors, so which are been applicable in some of the industry, one of the industry from Germany, and there is a second industry in India which is seeded company that are using this particular molecules to develop a new transgenic crops that can be used for the insect control. So when I'm talking about a breaking stereotype, that I think that most of the youngster and most of the people or most of the students who are pursuing the research or who are thinking of taking a new or having some challenging, so I think that research, and mostly in a field like agriculture, it would be a very important, not only for you, or it is very important for the nation building, because I think if our farmer or if the agriculture is going to be good, when we are saying like that, having incredible India or having a good position in the as a super economy in the world, then I think agriculture should be one of the prime area where all the people should think about. It might be a political view or it might be a any scientific view, that most of the things that we should. So I think that whatever the agriculture, whatever the development we are doing in the agriculture, we can do it in more pace, because and there is a great need of good scientist, good scientific worker, and good policy making in field of science and technology, in especially for the agriculture development.